to my channel, guys. I'm Lee, one and only, and I'm back with another video, guys. So today, guys, I'm basically gonna be doing cooking with Lee. So basically I'm gonna be chefing it up in the kitchen, and you guys are gonna basically I cannot give a tutorial. I don't think I can do that because I'm not a chef. So yeah, I'm just gonna be basically cooking, and you guys are gonna watch as I prepare a meal to eat. Yeah, remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and just join the gang. As me I say, just subscribe. Okay, guys, so the first thing is to get the meat all washed and cleaned. Yeah, as me I say, come back when you're done. Okay, guys, so the chicken is cleaned. Now it's time to basically season the chicken. Is it me I'm saying? Alright, so I don't know about some people, but me use Easy Spice. So I'm gonna use like meat seasoning, chicken seasoning. Yeah, is it me I say? Alright, so basically I have some other like ingredients, and onion, tomato, sweet pepper, scallion and thyme, stuff like that. Make add like a cucumber to my thing. It does different, but you see me I say, yeah. Alright, so catch on back when everything dip on the chicken. Okay, guys. Yeah, man, don't season up and thing looking magnificent. Oh my god. Yeah, real talk. You know, man, a chef. Man, a real chef. Swear to God. The man chicken them a fry and thing now. That's the next step. Fry up the chicken them and thing. You. Chicken in the back. Alright, so the chicken cook down, you know. After you fry it up and thing, you know, it cook down and thing. You see me I say? Simmer. Alright. And then macaroni and cheese in a pot, you see it? Mad thing. Man a chef, where you hear, boy? Man a chef. Finishing touch, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, Boop.
DA got that dope.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took an island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it.